Hello everyone and welcome back for a new French lesson. A highly requested French lesson actually. Today we are going to build a complicated French sentence from a basic sentence. I did a lesson like this in September as a test and I could not believe how much you loved it. So I am back for a new one. We are going to look at different type of word and sentence structure. It's all going to be step by step, so it's going to be very easy. If you need to work on this on your own, I have the perfect tool for you, thanks to Lingopie, who is kindly sponsoring today's video. Lingopie is an amazing application using movies, TV shows, and documentaries to teach you a language. Let's take a closer look at some of my favorite Lingopie features. First, the interactive subtitles. With Lingopie, you can click on any words in the subtitles. You can see what type of word it is, which is really useful. You can also hear its pronunciation.
Le gros contrat.
And after you are done watching, you can find the word you clicked on in your flashcards to review. It's so intuitive, you learn naturally. The subtitles can also be in two different languages, your target language and your first language maybe. So from here there will probably be French and then probably English maybe. This year they also started using Netflix movies and TV shows. Once you sign up with Lingopie, you can use their extension to access all their features on your Netflix account. Yes, even the interactive subtitles. If you want to try it out, you get a 7-day free trial and an incredible discount with 70% discount on the lifetime plan. That's a steal, I can't get better than that. The link is going to be in the description box and in my first comment. And I almost forgot, but here are my 5 top picks from Lingopie. I will also add the list in the description box so you can watch my top picks. Thank you again to Lingopie for sponsoring this video. And now, let's see the basic sentence that we are going to use to build a complicated sentence. Of course, don't forget your free PDF because it's so useful in this case. You have everything in there, all the sentence structure, the notes, everything is in there. We are starting this lesson with the simple sentence Il a une voiture. Il a une voiture. So it's subject, verb, article, noun. Okay? Il a une voiture. Very easy sentence structure. Now we are going to change the verb, going right away into it. We are going to change avoir to avoir besoin de, to express a need. So avoir besoin is always followed by the preposition de. Don't forget that. Il a besoin d'une voiture. He needs a car. Il a besoin d'une voiture. Subject, verb, preposition, article, and noun. Il a besoin d'une voiture. Now if we add an adjective to describe une voiture, we can add Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Nouvelle is going to be before the noun. Okay? Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Nouvelle, nouveau, always before the noun. So now, subject, verb, preposition, article, adjective, and noun. Now we are going to add some context as to why he needs a new car with a second sentence. Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a eu un accident. Il a eu un accident. So here, a eu is the verb avoir in the passé composé. Il a eu un accident. So now we have subject, verb, article, and noun again. Same as the first sentence we saw. The next step will be to add a reference of time. When did it happen? Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a eu un accident la semaine dernière. Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a eu un accident la semaine dernière. So all we added was last week. La semaine dernière. Okay? So now in the second sentence, I'm not going to give you the whole thing every time. We have subject, verb, article, noun. Article, noun, adjective. We can also add a third sentence to add more information as to why he wants a new car. And I know that you're going to say, Dylan, this is actually 3 sentences. We're supposed to see 1. Yes, but at the end it's going to be 1 sentence. So, il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a eu un accident la semaine dernière. Il veut plus de place. Plus de place. More space. So now in that third sentence we have subject, verb, adverb, preposition, and noun. And here let's have a look at the reference of quantity that we have. We have plus de. Plus de is a reference of quantity, and because it's a reference of quantity, the de doesn't change. Plus de place, plus de temps, plus de confiture, plus de chocolat. Doesn't change. De stays de, okay? We are going to add even more information as to why he needs more space, okay? Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a eu un accident la semaine dernière. Il veut plus de place pour sa famille. Pour sa famille. So, for his family. So in the last sentence now we have subject, verb, adverb, preposition, noun, preposition pour, adjective, sa, and then famille is a noun. Okay? Sa famille can also be changed to ses enfants. If he has a lot of children, we don't know. Ses enfants. So here the sentence structure doesn't change. But we can add a reference of number to ses enfants. How many does he have? And we are going to have il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a eu un accident la semaine dernière. Il veut plus de place pour ses 3 enfants. 3 enfants. So now we have subject, verb, adverb, preposition, noun, preposition, adjective, adjective, and noun. We can add another reason why he needs more space. Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a eu un accident la semaine dernière. Il veut plus de place pour ses 3 enfants et ses chiens. So, and his dog. Are you still flowing? So for the last sentence we have subject, verb, adverb, preposition, noun, preposition, adjective, adjective, noun, conjunction. Et is a conjunction. Adjective and noun. Okay? We can do the exact same thing with ses 3 enfants and ses chiens. Add a reference of number to ses chiens. And here is going to have 2. 3 children and 2 dogs. Okay, so il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture. Il a eu un accident la semaine dernière. Il veut plus de place pour ses 3 enfants et ses 2 chiens. Okay? So here at the end, now we are going to have adjective, c'est, adjective, de, and chien. Okay? So adjective and numbers are always going to be before, in this case, before that. 2 more steps to make the very long sentence. We are going to put together the 2 first sentences by adding car, car. And it's not a car like you think in English. Between the 2, we have il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture car il a eu un accident la semaine dernière. Il veut plus de place pour ses 3 enfants et ses 2 chiens. So here, car is because, simply. He needs a new car because he had an accident last week. So now the first sentence is subject, verb, preposition, article, adjective, noun, conjunction, the one that just put the two together, subject, verb, article, noun, article, noun, and adjective. I'm sure you know the last step already. We are going to put together the first sentence and the last sentence by adding et between the two. Il a besoin d'une nouvelle voiture car il a eu un accident la semaine dernière et il veut plus de place pour ses 3 enfants et ses 2 chiens. So here, just like in English, we added and between the two sentences. And that's it. That's really how we build a complicated sentence in French. Are you ready to see the breakdown? So we have subject, verb, preposition, article, adjective, noun, conjunction, subject, verb, article, noun, article, noun, adjective, conjunction, subject, verb, adverb, preposition, noun, preposition, adjective, adjective, noun, conjunction, adjective, adjective, and noun. That was quite a long one at the end. I hope you really enjoyed this lesson. If you want me to do a new one monthly, I will gladly do so for you. Just let me know if there's something specific that you would like to see in a sentence, maybe the French subjunctive, or a change in tenses, plural, negation. Just let me know if there's anything you want to see specifically, and I will gladly make one a month for you. Next week, I will have a new test for you. I know you love those. So I will see you again next Wednesday. À mercredi prochain.